Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's kind of crazy. I went 2 months without posting and here's 2 videos so close together. But anyway, what we're going to be doing today is, like I said in the last video when we installed the GT500 wing on this S550 Mustang, we're doing a couple mods, shooting for presentable, not perfection. So anyway, what I did today was wet sanded and buffed the bumper. It came out absolutely perfect. Showed you guys in the last one how we did it on the deck lid. I didn't figure I would do 2 of them on the wet sanding and buffing process. But anyway, this is a 2015 GT Premium that for whatever reason had a base rear bumper on it. So it did not have that real cool diffuser on the bottom. So what we've already done, we have plasti dipped the base bumper satin black around the bottom because we're going to be doing the IKON Motorsports diffuser for the base bumper. A couple videos out there on how to do this, a bunch of videos out there on how to plasti dip, but basically all we did was taped off that line, 5 coats of the dip, just the satin black, and I've got the little Harbor Freight heat lamp on it right now just to kind of help it dry so we can go ahead and get this installed. Several different ways to install these diffusers. You can use the supplied self-tapping screws, or there was a video, I will link it in the description below, that actually showed kind of mocking this up, drilling holes through it, through your factory bumper, and using like the Christmas tree push tabs to actually hold it in place. So I think that's what we're going to lean toward. Kind of gives it a little bit of a cleaner look, but that is the plan for this video today. Got this off eBay for $100 and some. I will put it up on the screen right here how much it actually was because I'll have to check, but it did come with that piece and the 2 on the side. Yes, it is laying in the garbage, but I didn't have anywhere else to put it because the garage is a mess. Anyway, just those 2 mods, just the GT500 wing and dipping that diffuser, made the rear end of this car look so much better, so much more aggressive. I need to get the taillight blackouts. I think it'll look really good, especially with like the black roof and everything on this car, but the bumper looks so much better after we wet sanded and buffed it. It is completely smooth to the touch. It does not have that rough feeling. It is smooth like the deck lid is, but the bumper's already done. So I'm going to give this a little bit to dry, peel off the reflectors and the third or the reverse light, and then I guess we'll try to get this diffuser installed. I'm not exactly, like I said, sure how I'm going to do it. Kind of got a rough idea. We'll see how it goes. All right, guys, so I went ahead and test fitted this thing. It fits okay. I mean, it fits exactly how you would figure an eBay diffuser is going to fit. The little coating that comes on it is not that good. Probably end up plasti dipping it later on anyway, kind of match the color of the dip. But overall, I just used the included self-tapping screws, put 1 through each thing. From up above the car, you can't see those, so it actually looks pretty good. So that is kind of what it looks like right now. It looks good on its own. I am going to put the little side splitters on to see what it looks like, see if it looks out of place. If it doesn't, I'm going to leave them. If it does, I'll just run with this center diffuser. But for now, that looks good. It is pretty much just put it up there, make sure that this is lined up. Good idea to have 2 people. Just start zipping in the self-tappers and make sure it grabs. But it's on there. Pretty good. It's not going anywhere. I was concerned if I did just the push pins like I said I was going to, that it would fly off because this car will be raced. But for now, that looks good. So let's try to get on the side blades, see how those turn out. All right, guys, so there is the completed rear diffuser on the Mustang. Ended up doing double-sided tape on the bottom of this one with 3 self-tappers on that side, 2 self-tappers on this little piece that connects it to the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the center diffuser, and then the same over here. Probably going to put 1 more self-tapper there to kind of sturdy that up a little bit, but other than that, it actually looks really good. Gives the car a very aggressive look, especially with the GT500 wing. But like I said, I will probably plasti dip that middle piece, kind of match the rest of it, because even the little nards to the side are darker than the middle part. So don't know why they did that, but it looks a whole lot better. So guys, I know that wasn't much of an install, hard to do when you're doing it all by yourself. Did have my girlfriend come down and help me hold the center part. Like I said, you may want to get 2 people for that. Can't do it on your own, just a little bit of a hassle. So guys, if you like this video, if you like the Mustang makeover, give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, see some more of this 2015 GT transformation, and I will see you guys on the next video.